In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add discount codes to your Squarespace shop. If you want to run a promotion, reward customers, or create a limited time offer in your Squarespace store, adding a discount code is a quick and useful way to do it. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can set it up without confusion. To begin, log into your Squarespace site and go to your main dashboard. From there, click on Products and Services. This is where Squarespace organizes the tools related to what you sell, including your store settings, products, and promotions. If you manage multiple parts of your site, this section helps keep everything connected in one place. Once you're inside Products and Services, click on Discounts. This is the area where all your promotional offers are managed. If you've already created discounts before, you'll see them listed here. If not, this is where you'll create your first one. Next, click on Add Discount. This opens the discount setup screen where you'll define the offer your customers will use at checkout. Take a moment here to make sure you're creating the right type of promotion for your campaign. Now enter the name of the discount. This name is usually for your own reference, so make it something easy to recognize later. For example, you might use a seasonal label or a campaign-based name that helps you identify the discount quickly in your dashboard. After that, you can either type in a discount code manually or use the option to generate a code automatically. If you already know the code you want customers to enter, type it in directly. If not, the generator can save time and create one for you. In general, it's a good idea to keep the code simple enough for customers to read and enter easily. Next, enter the % off amount. This is where you decide how much of a discount the customer will receive. Be sure to enter the percentage carefully, since this is the value that will be applied during checkout. It's always worth double checking this field so your promotion matches what you intend to offer. Finally, click Save. Once you do that, your discount code will be added to your Squarespace shop and ready to use based on the settings you entered. After saving, it's a smart idea to review the discount in your list and make sure everything looks correct. And that's it. You've successfully created a discount code in Squarespace. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.